Hello everyone, welcome back to Multi Skills. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I use clove and fenugreek as part of my daughter's natural hair care routine. So guys, before we just get started, if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to this channel. Subscription is free, guys. For those of my subscribers, you're such a darling. And for those some of you who always view this video with us, all my videos without subscribing, please subscribe to also get you notified anytime I post interesting video. So you'll be wondering what I applied on the hair. So it is actually the fenugreek and the clove. That is exactly what I applied on the hair. So the fenugreek and clove, it is going to be serving as a natural living conditioner. So if you have been using a store-bought living conditioner, by the time you try this fenugreek, I think you will not try buying store-bought living conditioner. So this is my fenugreek here. So the other ingredient I used was clove. Like I soaked my clove overnight before adding it. You can still please guys do not skip this video so that you understand or you will not get lost, or as in you will not get confused in this video. Please stay tuned and be steady. Don't get this video skipped. So like I said, these two ingredients that I use, clove and fenugreek, have been used in traditional, as in used traditionally in many places for hair care routine. They help to keep the scalp healthy and make the hair feel stronger. If you enjoy natural hair care, please like my video, subscribe, and let's get started. Like I said, my fenugreek, I got to soak my fenugreek overnight. So this is the results. So fenugreek doubles in size a lot. So after soaking my fenugreek overnight, so like I told you guys in all my video, I like using my production mortar to pound. I like pounding my ingredients to always get the nutrients extracted. If you know you want to use a blender, please do. Anything that you know that you're going to be using that is going to be easy for you, you do it. So for me, I like using my mortar, very easy to wash, without no stress. I know that some of people doesn't know that you can use clove to form a leave-in conditioner. It has a drying effect, especially when you soaked overnight. It's going to be giving you that slippery effect. Like when you apply it on your hair, the comb is going to be sliding on your hair, making the tangling so easy to manage. Making, as in, you know what I mean by that. So a lot of people always ask, what makes Clove special? Guys, is it this clove? If you try it, you will know what makes it special. Like you are going to be trying it. Like you stop buying a store-bought living conditioner. This works 100 times better than a store-bought living conditioner, and it offers a lot of benefits. Unlike a store-bought living conditioner that is overloaded with harsh chemicals. Like I say, a lot of people ask what makes Clove so special. Clove are rich in natural antioxidants, and it also contains a compound called oregano. They are commonly used in traditional hair care to help to keep the scalp clean and refreshed. So guys, it is also good to know that a healthy scalp provides a better environment for a healthy looking hair. Many people also like clove because they can help to reduce scalp buildup, as in scalp buildup in the hair, making the hair to feel so fresh. So also fenugreek seeds contains protein, fiber, and plant compound that can help to condition the hair when soaked. Like I told you guys, you have to soak it. So in case I forget, you can see what I use the wig cap to strain this. So if you know any chair cloth that you know you trust, you can use it. I forgot already. So the other thing I added is my aloe vera. The one I just added before this one, it is my aloe vera. So this black oil that you are seeing now, it is my hair care oil, because you have to be adding oil in your leave-in conditioner so that it won't get the hair so dry, so that the hair can also be moisturized. Get it? So going back to my explanation, Fenugreek produces a slippery gel that coats the hair strands, making the hair feel softer and easier to manage. Many people use fenugreek to reduce dryness, improve hair softness, and help minimize hair breakage. Sorry guys, I made a mistake when I was talking about aloe vera water. What I meant was clove water, not really not aloe vera. So it was a mistake. So you saw me when I was adding something inside uh, uh, um, the mixture, the white plate. So it contains clove water, not aloe vera. So it was a mistake. So guys, when fenugreek and clove are used together, they complement each other well. Clove helps to refresh the scalp, while fenugreek helps to moisturize and conditions the hair. So guys, there is something I need you guys to know. Remember that a healthy hair takes time, consistency, and good overall hair care. This natural clove and fenugreek treatment will help to keep your hair healthy, and your hair will be conditioned. So you have to be consistent in it, not by trying today, tomorrow you won't try. So don't give up. If you know you want to achieve a longer and a healthy hair, do not give up. Do not give up at all. So consistency matters. Consistency is the key. Do not be discouraged. Like when I started my daughter's hair, like we just started small. It feels like the hair was not growing. Guys, I want you guys to know that herbs really work. So I was consistent in it and I was moving. So look at the length of my daughter's hair. Very, very healthy. Like the camera is not really capturing the length of this hair. Like when you see this hair in real, this hair is very, very healthy. The strands of this hair is so thick. So guys, remember this is a leave-in conditioner, so there is no need for you to be washing out. Do not wash this out. So you're going to be leaving it on your hair and make your protective style. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know in the comment section if you have ever tried this and if you are going to be trying this. So I love you all. Please guys, for those of you who normally view my video without subscribing, subscription is free guys. Please subscribe to also get you notified anytime I post interesting video, as an interesting video that is going to be helping your hair to grow. So guys, this is the end of this video. I love you all. I love you all. Such a darling. Mwah.